Hello everyone, Tal Falava. Baby and I have not been here for a while. As you can see, he has a lot of new hair. So, we are going to share one of our resources that we put together. Over here, we have a digital resource, which means you can print it at home or anywhere you like, and you can learn Samoan this way as well. First up, we have, what do we have? What do we have? You're going to tell people what we have here? We have the alphabet laid out like this, capital letters and small letters. And then we have each letter of the alphabet with a different item that starts with that letter, like A for avoka. And there's pictures to help the little ones remember. A is for avoka. A is for ato. A is for anufe. And A is for alunga, right? And then we also have at the bottom there how you would pronounce that letter. A, as in ka, k, a. On each letter or each item, we have the opportunity to do some coloring because who doesn't love to color in, right? You will very soon. So far, you like to play with the colors, but you don't know how to color in just yet. But what we have in this little activity booklet is coloring in, as well as we also have how to use each word in a sentence. What we also have included is practicing the different letters. For example, we are going to focus on A, E, I, O, U. In this one, the person will have to feel out which letter goes in the gap. It's a good and fun way to practice our ability to keep the information in here. I forgot the word, but we're not just relying on like visual. Excuse me. Unbelievable. Okay, see you later, alligator. I've lost my pal. So my pal decided he wants to go crawl away. But yes, this is a good opportunity to actually commit to memory some of the things that the little ones might be learning visually. My pal has gone to sleep, but what we also have in this resource package are some flashcards that you can cut out and match. So, for example, we have happy, which translates to fear. All these new words would have been picked up from the earlier activities, like when we were using words in sentences. Last but not least, there is a traceable activity where the little ones can learn how to write each letter. All they have to do is follow the steps like 1, 2, and 3 for the letter A. Finally, as I was putting this together, I was reminded of my very own primary school teacher. She was my year 1 teacher, and I just wanted to dedicate this to her because she taught me how to write my name, how to write and read, at least the basic foundation of that.